Okay, so this right here is the sartorius. This flap right here is the gracilis. Let me turn the page. Okay, and then semitendinosus is this small one back here. Semitendinosus are these two. And then this one is the semimembranosus. This is the adductor magnus. This little one is the adductor longus. And this really tiny one in here is the adductor, I mean not the adductor, the pectineus. And then in here, this right here is the psoas major. And I think I covered up most of this already.
Yeah, you covered everything.
So we turn this around, and this is the bicep femoris. And here again is the semitendinosus, bicep femoris. Biceps femoris, excuse me. And then if we lift this up, we see the sciatic nerve right here. The fascia lata. Where is it? The fascia lata is the white sheath. And then the tensor fascia lata is the whole entire thing. The muscle plus the fascia lata. So tensor fascia lata on both sides. Let me show you on the other side too. So fascia lata, the sheath, tensor fascia lata is the whole thing with the muscle. The vastus lateralis. I think she said this whole thing is the vastus lateralis, but I could be wrong. Don't quote me on that. And then the calves. Are you laughing at me? We have to turn it around. If we open this up, the calves. This is the medial head. This is the lateral head. And in between is the plantaris muscle. And this is the Achilles tendon or ligament. What is it? The Achilles. Yes, that's the Achilles tendon right here. And then over here, this little darker colored one is the, here it is also, is the soleus. Honestly, I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Okay.